everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is part 2. I had shared a video of part 1 of all the t-shirts and shirts which I had purchased. So this will be part 2. So I will be showing you pants and yes, so I'll be showing you pants which I've purchased. So let us start. So this is the first set. So this is the set of 2 pants. This is from Firstcry online purchase, and this is brand Babyhug, as you can see. And this is a beautiful blue navy blue pant with this print. It's actually a print. It's like a paint print. Okay, so it's like sharks all over with blue, yellow, light blue sharks going on all over the pant. So there are prints both the sides, so it's like front and back both the sides. And this has elastic, so near the hip also you'll find elastic, and at the bottom also you'll have elastic. So this is a beautiful purchase, and with that, this is a light blue pant. It's plain actually, so you get this tie. It's actually for design, so there is no, like, you can't tighten the belt and you can't tie up, so it's just for show. And here it says Jawsome, so that is also a print, paint print, and this also is like elastic. So this is completely plain. It's a plain pant. So this is set of 2. I will mention the link below, and I will surely mention the price also. And this is a set of 4. This is also from Firstcry itself. This the first pant which you saw, that is for 2 to 3 years. It was a long pant, and this one also is like 2 to 3 years itself, and it's like a short pant, but it fits completely. That one you'll have wrinkles down near the ankle, but this is like completely perfect fit pant. So that one is a red pant which you've seen. It's a set of 4. So first one was the red one, and this one is the next one. It has elastic near the ankle and the hip. This is like a striped pant. It's like green pant with black stripes, so it's completely plain. And the next one is this particular pant. The fabric of this pant is very soft. It's very nice. As you can see, it's completely very soft. It's like cotton soft kind of material. And this also is same. You'll have elastic all over the knee and the belt. So this is like as I told, it's like for 2 to 3 years. And yeah, this is the third one. It's a set, and in that set, this is the 4th one. It's a beautiful bright orange color pant, and it's like white and orange elastic which they have given at the bottom. It's a bright orange, and it has print. So this print is not like paint print as you've seen, like most of the t-shirts and pants which I've shown. This is on the cloth itself, so if you wash also, the print is not going to fade away. So it's a very good pant. This is very soft. As you can see, the material is very soft. You can feel the softness in that. And this is the next one. So this is not like a set pant, it's a separate pant which I've bought. So this is like in a woolen kind of material. So it's a woolen pant. It has this detailing going on at the side of the pant, you can see, near the leg. And you can see this is not like elastic. This is completely woven and woolen, so it's not elastic. So it's not like it's stretchable. Only the woolen material, it's like little stretchable, right? So only that stretchable it is. It's not like completely fit on the baby's hip, so it is going to be a little loose. For my baby it was little loose. So yeah, this is the back, and the sides, it's like completely very soft woolen material, right? So it's not like elastic near the hip. So as you can see, it's a beautiful pant, and for winters it is very nice. So this one I think I purchased for 600 or something. So this was all about the pants video, and that's it guys in today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until my next video, bye.